Kolkata Police has a new chief. Manoj Kumar Verma replacing Vineet Goyal as Kolkata Police Commissioner after this late night announcement by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee.
আর 4 নম্বর ডিমান্ড যেটা ছিল সিপি বিনীত গোয়েলকে সরিয়ে দেওয়ার জন্য। বিনীত গোয়েল ওদের কাছে নাকি আগেই স্বীকার করেছিল, যেটা ওরা মিটিংয়ে বললেন, যে আমি পদত্যাগ করতে চাই, কারণ আমার মনে হচ্ছে তোমরা যখন আমার প্রতি আস্থা রাখতে পারছো না, তোমাদেরও যেমন পরিবার পরিজন আছে আমারও আছে, এটা ওরা আমাকে মিটিংয়ে বলল। এবং বলার পরে আমরা কথা বলেই নিজেদের মধ্যে সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছি আগামীকাল 4টের পর আমরা কলকাতা পুলিশ এ বদল আনবো।
Vineet Goyal now heads to the Special Task Force, and along with him another officer has also been removed. Manoj Verma is known for handling the operations against left-wing extremists in Lalgore and also has experience in handling agitations and law and order situations. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court on Tuesday went through the CBI's status reports and said that it is disturbed by what the CBI report has mentioned and it is worse than what has been in public. The court said that the CBI must be given time to finish the probe and cannot be pressurized to file the charge sheet. The Supreme Court meanwhile pulled up the state government for its order restricting duties of women doctors under its program Ratire Shati. The lawyer for the West Bengal government said the problematic clauses will be deleted. The Kolkata police face an image crisis and a crisis of trust amidst allegations of evidence tampering and a cover-up in the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital rape and murder case. Manoj Verma is known as a troubleshooter, a man who's handled many crisis situations for the government, and therefore his taking over at a time of crisis for the Kolkata police would mean that he would have the challenging task of rebuilding faith, trust and the image of the force. With camera person GD Shankar in Kolkata, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.